Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve all the objective type questions that had appeared in the past university paper under the subject organizational development. It is an elective subject for human resource under BMS. From November 2025 to April 2019, all the papers will be solved. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM VI students. So let us see what all topics of objective question that had appeared in the past paper and what were their answers. Shall we start one by one? April 2025. The first set of questions was MCQs. We all can go through it one. Okay, along with this, the next set of questions was true or false. Next, December 2025. The first set of questions was MCQs. Next, along with that, the next set of objectives were true or false. Next, April 2024. The first set of questions was again MCQ. Next, true or false. Next, November 2024. The first set of question was MCQs. Along with this, the next set of questions was true or false. Next, April 2023, the first set of question was, okay, you can go through the answer once. Okay, along with that, the next set of question was true or false. Next, November 19, the first set of question was MCQs. Okay, along with this, the next set of question was math the column. Okay, and last, April 2019, the first set of question was true or false. Along with this, the last set of questions were MCQs. These are the first set of MCQs. These are the next set of MCQ. And these are the last set of MCQs. Okay, so these were all the objective questions from the past university paper. So I hope everyone have made a note of it. So with that, we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.